In this video, I'm going to work out an individual integral. It's going to be a basic U-substitution integral, which would typically be found in that Calc 1 class for that beginning Calc 1 student. All right, so with being a U-substitution, we need to make a decision about what we're going to let U be. We like to look at the inside portion of composite functions. All right, and then once you make a determination there, you can kind of think in your head, okay, what would the derivative be there if I let my U be 2 plus e to the x? Well, the derivative there is going to be e to the x, so then that's going to allow this to cross out with this e to the x right here. So that's where we're going to start. We're going to let our U be that 2 plus e to the x. When I take the derivative of both sides, I'll have a du is equal to an e to the x dx. I'm going to go ahead and solve all the way down for that dx, so I'll have a du over an e to the x is equal to dx. I'm then going to come back up here to the original integral, and I'm going to start making some substitutions. All right, the e to the x there at the beginning is going to stay e to the x. All right, I'm going to replace a u underneath the radical there, and I'll replace dx with what it equals, which is the du over the e to the x. All right, at this point you can see that that e to the x there is going to cross out real nicely, and I'm going to just have that square root of u. All right, now to save step, we know to be able to integrate that, I need to write it as power. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that as a u to the 1/2 power du. All right, now this becomes a straightforward integral. I'm just going to add 1 to that exponent. So when I add 1 to that exponent, I'm going to have a 3/2, and then in the front, then flipping that around, I'll have 2/3. So straightforward integration right there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and replace u with what it equals. So I'll have a 2/3 and then a 2 plus e to the x raised to the 3/2 plus c. And if you would like to rewrite it into a square root so that it's in the same form that you originally started with, we could go 2/3 square root of 2 plus e to the x and then raised to that 3rd power. All right, either one of those would be an acceptable answer, okay, just depending on what form you really like your answer in. So definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please be sure and share with your friends so that they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.